Hi, I'm Stephen Beitler, founder of FreeYogaTV. And if you're newish to this channel and or looking for guidance on which video to press play on today, then you're in the right place. Simple place to start, simply yoga asana. These are 30-minute practices that'll give you a nice intro to FreeYogaTV and a great way to maintain health and awareness in the day-to-day stresses of modern life. Start with one class that draws your eye or put two together for a full hour practice. If you're completely new to yoga, you'll find introductory studio-like classes in our beginner playlist. Make your way through at your leisure. Pause or skip any portions that don't feel right for you. Use this tool to begin building a personal practice that is truly your own. When you feel ready, jump into our 30 Days of Yoga program. This will give you a deep dive experience of what is possible with an applicable regular yoga practice. Already a yogi veteran? Yoga Warrior is a 7-day, full-body, full bandha immersive program that is the most challenging thing I've taught on this channel thus far. Take the plunge when you're ready, and revisit any time you want to take your practice to the next level. If you're looking for something to experience along the yogic path besides the physical practice of asana, you can join us in liberating yoga from the mat. Through guided meditations, breathwork, and mindful artistry, we invite you beyond current concepts of what yoga is, to free yoga from any limiting ideas. You can find all these videos and playlists on our YouTube channel homepage. Please subscribe, share, and become a regular with the FreeYogaTV community. Thank you for watching. Thank you for practicing. And until the next, adventure well.